Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2006 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. The input impedance Zi and output impedance Z0 of an ideal transconductance amplifier are. Transconductance amplifier is nothing but voltage controlled current source. It is given. So what are the values for the Zi and Z0? Ideal values of Zi and Z0. Okay. So look at this one. Transconductance amplifier is nothing but voltage controlled current source. That implies nothing but a transconductance amplifier accepts input as voltage signal. So a input signal is applied as voltage signal, and every voltage signal will have some source resistance, that is internal resistance, and output of this one is going to be connected to a load, that is RL. So output of this transconductance amplifier is I0 and input of this transconductance amplifier is voltage. That's why only it is called as voltage controlled current source. So transconductance amplifier accepts input signal as voltage and it produces output signal as current. So ideally what we expect is nothing but I0 is equal to transconductance gain. Gain of this transconductance amplifier is Gm. Let us assume. So I0 will be equal to gain of transconductance times of input signal, that is Vs, which is ideal. But practically if you check, the transconductance amplifier has internally, the internal structure of transconductance amplifier is this one. There will be input resistance Ri and there is a current source generated, which is nothing but Gm times of Vi. Vi is nothing but effective input voltage present at the input terminals of transconductance amplifier, and it will be having some output impedance, its own output impedance. Okay, this is what internal structure of transconductance amplifier. So these are the terminals. Now for this one you must apply input voltage and you are going to apply a load. So by that time it will be looks like this one. You are applying a source through a resistance of Rs, that is internal resistance of source voltage Vs, and here you are going to apply a load RL, and current flowing through this one is nothing but load is I0 and this is Vs. So first of all, if you are going to say I0 can be written as, by using current division rule, this is R0. By using current division rule, this you can write it as GmVi times of, okay, R0 divided by R0 plus RL. So from this one we can say, okay, I0 is approximately equal to GmVi if R0 is very large compared to RL. If R0 is very large compared to RL, entire current is flows through load. By that time I0 can be approximated as Gm times of Vi. Whatever the current generated by this output current generated by this transconductance amplifier, that will be sent to the load. Okay, otherwise something less you will get in the load. Now when you can say Vi is equal to Vs, then you can get the ideal situation as I0 is equal to Gm times of Vs. If Vi is equal to Vs, you will get the ideal situation. So if you write the equation between Vi and Vs by using voltage division rule, you can write it as Vs times of Ri divided by Ri plus Rs. Ri plus Rs. From this one we can say Vi is approximately equal to Vs if Ri is very large compared to source resistance. So if R0 is very large than load resistance, by that time I0 is approximated as Gm into Vi, and Vi will be equal to Vs if Ri is very large compared to Rs. So these are the desirable characteristics of transconductance amplifier. From this one we can write the ideal characteristics. Okay, ideal characteristics are nothing but ideal values of Zi is nothing but ideal value of Ri, which is nothing but very high, that is nothing but infinite, and Z0, that is output impedance, so R0, which has to be also infinite. So ideal characteristics of Okay, transconductance amplifier, in case of input impedance and output impedance, both must be very high. Ideally they have to be equal to infinite. So the right answer is nothing but D for this one. D is the right answer for this one. High input, infinite input impedance, infinite output impedance are going to be the characteristics of ideal transconductance amplifier. Thank you.